Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how to fix NVIDIA Control Panel not showing display settings. Normally, if we have an NVIDIA graphics card, when we right-click on a space on the desktop, the NVIDIA Control Panel option appears. If not, try the following options. Chapter 1. Start or restart NVIDIA service. We start by going to the Windows search engine to find the Services option and click on it. Here we will look for the NVIDIA Display Container LS option. Then we right-click on it and choose Start if this service is not yet active. If it is, we will try to click on the Restart option to restart it. After that, we should be able to access the NVIDIA Control Panel. Chapter 2. Install NVIDIA Control Panel. We start by opening the Microsoft Store or Microsoft Store. Here we are going to use the search engine to find the NVIDIA Control Panel option and click on it. Next, we are going to install the application with install or get. Once installed, we can see that we will have the NVIDIA Control Panel ready and installed. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.